After publishing last week's video, I started getting messages from people saying, why did you do it that way? And whenever I get those, I realize, oops, I did it again. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 174 here in the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Yes, last week I showed you how to use a menu separator under the system link type to use as a menu at the top of a drop-down, but if you click on it, it goes nowhere, but if you mouse over it, the drop-down shows up. And soon after that, Peter Martin of DB8 contacted me and said, why did you do it that way? Why didn't you just use the menu heading? And then also Ivor Johansson, he asked me, left a comment saying, why didn't you just use the menu heading? Shout out also to Stuart Neufeld, who suggested another method to do it, but in fact, Peter and I were right. It's the menu heading type that we want to use, and I'll show you how to do that now. This video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all of the tools and information that can save you time and money managing one Joomla site or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, use the coupon code BASICJoomla to get your first month free. Okay, here we are back at the scene of the crime. What I want here is a menu item that I can mouse over to get to the submenus, but I don't want it to go anywhere when I click on it. Now let's go into the control panel. We'll go to menus, main menu, and we're going to scroll way down to the bottom here to connect. You'll see I was using the separator type, but there's a better way. I don't even know when this showed up in Joomla. I didn't know about it. I do now. And if you didn't know about it, you know about it now. All right, so menu type, instead of separator, let's just use, down to system links, menu heading. That's what it's for. Then you don't have to mess around with the link and the hack that I showed you last week. We'll save and close it. And we'll go back and refresh the page. And look at that. Just like it was supposed to. We can mouse over connect. I can click on it. Nothing happens. But I can go and I can book a meeting. There you have it. That's the proper way to have a menu item at the top of a drop-down that goes nowhere if your users accidentally click on it. Now, pro tip for this week, don't be afraid to be wrong. If you're learning things, you're trying things, you're putting yourself out there, it's okay if you're wrong. If you learn something, just share that as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe and ring the bell to get notifications. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.